Welcome back, everyone. LTC coin caught our attention with a possible volatile movement to about to happen. What we want to see, or what we are expecting to see, is the movement of something like this. So 1 to 5 risk and reward ratio basically depends on the stop loss area, but stop loss should be around $8-ish area, and that's our current plan. So we noticed multiple uptrends since basically throughout 1 year. So first uptrend, we had a bullish sideways channel here, then a breakout, heavy one, then again sideways channel, uptrend, breakdown this time, again channel, breakout from this channel, and now we are back near this area similar to this one here. So price is currently retesting or about to retest the EMAs and also go for attempt to break out from this area. Now ideally, of course, we should see a proper breakout, which means going to take this one, a proper breakout, retest, and movement to these areas, with first target being the previous high zone, and of course secondary target would be this area here. So major take profit area should be this zone here, so $130, pretty precise line. So why we chose this area? First of all, due to this candle here, you can see that fair value gap zone has formed here on the daily time frame. I'm not sure about the hourly time frame actually. Have to still double check it. Wait. So yeah, pretty decent unfilled gap here, you can see. Now, with that being said, what we have to do, or what we are expecting to see, is once again a smaller movement to the upper areas here. Once we reach this area, we need to see the breakout. But this is the game plan for like upcoming weeks, so it might take us like a week, two, might take a couple of days, depends on the market structure development and overall how the Bitcoin itself is also going to move. Right now, it's pretty bullish in my personal opinion. Now, if we want to go into more of like scalp trades, then what we notice is again some sort of bullish overtake happening here right now. Previous local high was broken, so that's the previous local high area. Currently retesting it, so we had a retest. This is the retest candle, quick liquidity movement, so liquidity grab, and now what we have to see is breakout from this area, so buyers have to overtake this zone here, and if we see that buyers will overtake this zone, then this would be our entry for the short-term trade. So scalper you can call it, or however you want, day trading, but the risk and reward ratio in this case would be rather pretty small. 1 to stop loss should be somewhere here near those two candles. So risk and reward ratio in this case is actually not that bad, like 1 to 4, sorry, 1 to 3 basically. And of course, target's going to be either this upper trend area here or the branch of the EMAs, so the daily time frame EMAs, which is slightly lower, like this, I think. Yep, in this case, risk and reward ratio is basically smaller than 1 to 2. But overall, this is the small scalp trade that we can take, but only if we see the breakout and the proper signs of bullish overtake happening right now, which we don't see currently. So that's it for the LTC coin. There is nothing much more to talk about. Overall, we are bullish on this one, and of course we want to see, or we expect to see, more like correctly to say, a movement similar to this one. So like this. So that's it for today. As always, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.